Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video today I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram login problem on iPhone, iPad, Android phone. So let's get started the video without wasting time. First of all, you have to type login. So how can as can see here is asking error verifier filler Openssl Cert Verifi error certificate is not yet valid. So how can fix it error? So back home screen again, open setting on iPhone and Android phone. So you have to tap on journal and scroll down. So as you can see here is date and time, so you have to type. So as you can see here is set automatically toggles turn off, so you have to tap on toggles turn on. So and back home screen again, open Instagram app on iPhone and Android phone. So you have any accounts login, so type it login. So as you can see, my account login problem fixed. If you have any problem, let me tell in the comment, I help you. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.